I'm back. I'm back. I'm back.
A little punch tool thing, a little pointer thing. Right up the cock tube urethra, as it were.
I'm back. Here we go. Yeah, here's the deal. Yes, yo. All you kids out there, do they still say yo? Do they still say yo? I don't know. We are going to be removing lag bolts in the joist in the ceiling there, filling the holes with the re-drilling half inch over to install the lag bolts. Hang an L bracket, gonna move a little bit. The L word, L bracket. I don't know. For some people, love is the L word. I think it was a show with Rosie O'Donnell in it, I think. For me today, the L word is L bracket. So suck on that. I'm gonna go get my ladder and we're gonna make it happen. Stay tuned. I'm gonna take this laser level. I'm gonna set it probably on my ladder after I get this pulled off. And I'm gonna turn it on, and it's gonna shoot a line on my ceiling. I'm gonna check both ends on each bracket and make sure that that line is exactly where I want the outer edge of my bracket to be after I move it. Then I'm going to get my bracket up there, mark my new holes, go over here on that side, mark my new holes there, and then shut that laser light off. Don't look at the light. Shut the laser light off, pop a couple of holes in each, drill for my lag bolts, screw my things in there. L brackets will be mounted and I can hang the structure. So there you go, in simple terms, because I'm a simple person. You get the idea. You've got two there, one here, needs to be one there. I did not measure properly, so I'm a half inch off. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna pull, right up there. I'm gonna pull those lag bolts out, fill the holes, let that dry, let it set, because I have to have it solid. We're gonna hang stuff from this. Let's get to work, yeah! Spin move. And my stupid Amazon Basics tripod broke, so yeah. Does it sometimes feel like you're up against everything and nothing's working? Yeah. Like all the signs are saying, stop doing this. Just saying. Moral of the story is always be prepared. Backup tripod, and we are going to be again in business again. Oh! And I'm cut out of the shots. Freaking great. Okay, people. Okay. Whatever. Okay, so here's the deal. Listen up. If you're a slob, you deserve what you get coming to you, basically. So I officially have lost all hope today. It's stuff like this, though, seriously, that keeps you, I don't know, you either give up or you keep going. So I'm going to choose to keep going. Sometimes that's all you can do. It's tougher though when I'm not being paid to do it. Here, I'm not making any money when nothing's going right. It's kind of tough to keep going. And I cannot find it. Just move that pile of crap, find that pile of crap, and there it is, another pile of crap. I failed miserably with that stupid squeeze-in crap, caulking tube, whatever. Liquid nails. I got a caulking gun and liquid nails. I'm gonna shove some caulk in the holes, shove some caulk in the hole and liquid nails, and let it dry, and then I can move over and drill my new holes for my lag bolts and finally get this stupid rack thing mounted and liquid nails so I can do the other one. So I can get an ulcer before I'm done. I don't know. So I'm gonna cut a hole in that. Apparently you got a hole, right? I think. I don't know. Can't see. I think it's a water heater. Got a hole in the stupid tip, and I'll shove some caulk up in there. And that'll be that. And I can move on to another project. Fudge. Some other fudging thing on. So I'm going to cut this. Okay, here we go. I'm going to cut it. I want to cut it too big because I don't want the thickest, girthiest stream of caulk to go in the hole, because if there's no air to the sides of your stream of caulk doesn't go in the hole very well. You got to have some room to get the caulk in there. Get a little squeezy poo. Some people weren't meant to do home improvement.
Ruined a whole tube because I'm a troglodyte. Got another tube. Good thing they're not expensive. Cut the tip, just the tip. Without cutting yourself. You have to poke a hole, you have to pierce it. And look at that. Check out the tip. I did pierce it. Hopefully it's big enough. If you don't do that, you can destroy the tube without actually even squeezing anything out. At least that's what I hear. Insertion. Talking about inserting the caulk. Here we go. Insertion. Let me see here. Squeeze it and you pull it. Squeeze it and you pull it and you shove the caulk. Shove the caulk. The caulk. It's pretty simple. Get to the chopper. Give it a little bit of, ooh. Oh, ooh. I'm telling you. I'm just gonna squeeze caulk up into the hole. I mean, quite frankly, it's simply, it's just all about putting caulk in holes, that's all. Stick it in, and we go with the caulk. After it dries and hardens, I want something to be semi-solid. I think, this is my theory, I think it'll work. If you're gonna use a caulk tube, you have to pierce the membrane, I guess is what it is. What you do is you cut a tip, you cut the tip off with a knife, or scissors if you love scissors. Then you're gonna stick a screwdriver, or what I had was like a little punch hole thing, a little pointer thing, right up the caulk tube urethra, as it were. Poke a hole, the caulk flows freely. You could just splurge it right up, spurt right up in there, like butter. So now the next thing I'm gonna do, I'm gonna shoot a laser line on the ceiling. I'm gonna shoot a laser line on the ceiling and measure and make sure I'm right in line, exactly the right amount of inches from the other bracket, which will allow me to mark where I'm gonna put my new bolts so that I can get this bracket thing mounted. So yeah, caulk time. Did the caulk. Yeah, I did it. I'll do it, yeah.
Different day. Measure twice, always measure twice, maybe 12 times. I don't know. Brackets are up. Trust me, they're up there. So there you have it. Okay, fine. Brackets are on the ceiling. Got two there. Got two real close to the opener. I gotta go with what I have space for here. A little help from the missus to get things measured, and I originally thought I had lofty goals for how high I could hang this thing, or how low. I had lofty goals for how low we could dip down. Way too tall. Actually, didn't leave much room for the head to walk underneath, so you just put these in together, two pieces, put them together, and then these hang down, and then you attach your little shelf thing to it. So that's what I'm at right now. I'm just gonna set these right. Maybe I could shoot it and time lapse it. I don't know. Does it matter? Probably not. Ooh, SafeRacks. Nothing about this seems very safe to me. We'll see.
Shut the caulk in.
Yeah. Yeah. Okay, let's get some light on. What am I doing? Ah. All right, so here it is. There's product. Oops, my ladder's in the way. There it is. The SafeRack. It's still safe. Quite frankly, it's from China. I don't know if it's from China. I gotta stop. Look at that. The SafeRack. Racks. Safe thing. It's all safe. Anyway, I like that song, Safety Dance from Talking Heads. Talking Heads did that song. You can dance. You can dance. Everybody poop in your pants. You know how it goes. Yeah. Anyway, bye.